Yabate, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something truly special, the beautiful and rich Navajo language, or Diné Bizard. Whether you have Navajo heritage, are planning a trip to the stunning Navajo Nation, or are simply a language lover like me, learning a few key phrases is a wonderful way to connect with the culture. So let's get started with the most fundamental greeting of all. You've already heard me say it, Ya'ate. This is your all-purpose greeting. It can mean hello, good, or welcome. It's the perfect way to start any conversation. Let's practice the pronunciation together. It's Ya'ate. Notice the high tone on the te part. Try it with me, Ya'ate, fantastic. You can use this any time of day with anyone you meet. It's friendly, respectful, and universally understood. Now, how do you introduce yourself? You'd say Shiei, followed by your name, and then Yinishie. So for me, it would be Shiei Alex Yinishie. This translates to, I am called Alex. Let's break it down. Shiei means, I am. Yinishie means, I am called. Let's try it. Shiei Yinishie. Now you just insert your name in the middle. It's a formal and proper way to introduce yourself. So, someone greets you with Ya'ate. You reply with Ya'ate. Then you might want to ask, how are you? For this, you say Haguni. Let's work on that pronunciation. It's Hagone. The glottal stop at the end is important. It's a quick catch in your throat. Haguni. Practice it a few times. It's a common and friendly question to ask right after a greeting. What if someone asks you? How do you respond? If you're doing well, you can simply say Ya'ate, the same word for hello. It also means good or fine. So the exchange would be Haguni, Ya'ate. Simple, right? If you want to ask, and you can add ni adu. So a full response could be Ya'ate ni adu, which means I'm fine and you. It shows you're engaged in the conversation. Let's move on to another essential word. Ahehe. This means thank you. It's pronounced ahehe. The H sounds are breathy. It's a crucial word for showing gratitude and respect. Whether someone helps you with directions or serves you a meal, a heartfelt ahehe goes a long way. If you want to say thank you very much, you can say ahehe ta'iyisi. That last part means very much. Now, let's talk about family. Family is central to Navajo culture. To introduce a family member, you use different terms based on your relationship. For example, to say, this is my mother, you'd say, Di-a shima. Di-a means this is, and shima means my mother. For my father, it's shijeye. So, Di-a shijeye. The she prefix means my. It's a common possessive prefix, you'll see. Let's learn a few more family terms. My older sister is shadi. My older brother is shinai. My younger sibling is shitsili. Notice that Navajo doesn't distinguish gender for younger siblings in this term. So, whether it's a younger brother or sister, you can use shitsili. These kinship terms are incredibly important and reflect the deep family bonds in Navajo society. What if you want to ask someone's name? You would ask, Hash Yinilie? This means, what are you called, or what is your name? Hash means what. We already learned Yinilie is the you are called form. So you meet someone, say Ya'ate, and then you can ask, Hash Yinilie? It's a great way to get to know someone new. Let's talk about where you're from. To ask, where are you from? You say Hadev Nanina. Let's break down the pronunciation. Hadeng Nanina. The tones and nasal sounds are key here. To answer, you would say the name of your town or city, followed by Diné Nasha. For example, if you're from Flagstaff, you'd say Flagstaff Diné Nasha. This means, I am from Flagstaff. It's a common question and a great way to share a bit about yourself. Let's learn how to say yes and no. Yes is awu. It's pronounced awo, with a little glottal stop at the end. And no is duda. Duda. These are simple but absolutely essential. Are you enjoying the lesson? Awu! Is it difficult? Duda. See? You can already use them. Asking for help is another important skill. To say help me, you can say Shika anilyid. Shika ahnilyid. This is very direct. If you need assistance, this is the phrase to use. People are generally very willing to help, and knowing how to ask respectfully in their language is a huge sign of respect. Now, let's learn how to say goodbye. The common way to say goodbye is haguni. This might sound familiar. It's very similar to how are you, but the context makes the meaning clear. It's like saying farewell or so long. It's a warm and friendly way to part ways. So at the end of a conversation, you can smile and say haguni. Let's do a quick recap of everything we've learned. Hello is yaate. My name is she a. Yinishie. How are you? Is haguni. I am fine is yaate. Thank you is ahehe. This is my mother is di shima. This is my father is di shizre. What is your name? Is hash yinilie? Where are you from? Is hadayan nanina? Yes is awu. No is duda. And goodbye is haguni. You now have a solid foundation of phrases for a basic conversation in Navajo. Remember, pronunciation is key and it takes practice. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. The effort to speak the language is what truly matters and is deeply appreciated. I encourage you to listen to native speakers as much as possible to get a better feel for the rhythm, tones, and unique sounds of Diné Bizard. There are many great resources online, including the Navajo Nation's websites and language learning apps. Learning a language is a journey, not a race. Start with these phrases, use them when you can, and continue to build your vocabulary. Each word you learn is a step closer to understanding a rich and vibrant culture. The Navajo language is a treasure, and by learning it, you are helping to keep it alive and thriving. Thank you so much for joining me today. Ahehe for watching. I hope you found this helpful and that you feel inspired to continue your Navajo language journey. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Let me know in the comments which phrase was your favorite or what else you'd like to learn. Haguni, and see you in the next video.